Hello guys, myself Atharva Jagdish Gaikwad. I am 16. I am a resident of Katraj, Pune, Maharashtra, India. I am pursuing Diploma in Mechanical Engineering at Government Polytechnic, Pune. Today I am going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It looks something like this. It's a well-shuffled 3x3 Rubik's Cube, so there's no chance to cheat all of you. It takes about 15 seconds for me to solve this whole cube. So let's begin. This is it. How simple is this? You can also try. You can follow me on Facebook, or else my email address is atharva1210.ag@gmail.com. Goodbye.